Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, we have another unboxing. I'm so super excited about this item, but I don't want to get into too much detail until I actually open it. But if you guys are brand new to this channel, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family. We have so much fun here, and also turn on your bell notification so you're aware of every time that I post a brand new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuous support. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay, guys, so I'm not even gonna hold you guys. I don't even wanna hold suspense. So let's get right into unboxing it, okay? My handy dandy ceramic box cutter. Okay. Okay, let's see. Get this on this side. And get this on that side. Okay. Can you guys guess what it is? Alrighty, so let's move this stuff out the way. Okay. Ooh, I don't want to drop it. Sorry, guys. Alright, guys, so alright. So let's move this. So there was another pattern on the bottom, so don't think that it just came like that. Yes, guys. So I did pick up another beauty from Bag. Let's put a close up to this. Yes, as you can see, I pick up another beauty. Now let's open it up. Let's see. Where's the thing to open? Oh, right here. Ooh, this is heavy. Okay, so it does have the Bag dust bag, which is really good. Can you guys see it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, oh my God. So I did pick up the Valentino, the woman stud bag. Oh my God, guys. Oh my goodness, this bag is so beautiful. Look at the color. Oh my God. This color is just so beautiful. Oh my God, guys. Ah, my God. Look at this, guys. Look at this bag. So like I said, it's the Valentino, the woman stud shoulder bag. So if you guys actually watch my video for my 2023 wish list, this was one of the bags that I put that I wanted, right? But I wasn't sure exactly what color, and I stated that I wasn't sure what color that I wanted to get it in. Just because this bag comes in so much color, okay? But I knew I wanted this bag though. That was for a sure. I needed this bag in my collection. Not need, obviously, because it's materialistic, but guys, look at this beauty. Look at this. Oh my God. So this is, they call this color yellow, but it's more like it's a yellow with like a green undertone to it, guys. Like it has like the green undertone to it, guys. But guys, look at how beautiful this bag is. This bag is stunning. Look at the leather. Oh my God. And the chain. Oh my God. And then you open it like this. As you can see, it has the little stuffing in it. Thank you, Rebag. And it does come with the chain right here. So you can make it either a shoulder bag. Yeah, either a shoulder bag, or you can make it as a crossbody bag, guys. And guys, me honestly, I think it's the color. So, oh, sorry, it's not even in frame. So this bag, I actually got it from Rebag. They had a sale that was going on, and so I was like, oh, okay, well, let me get it. Let me move the camera just a little bit. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. It was a great price with the discount, and then I had some credit as well. So I was like, oh my God, you can't beat that because I think Rebag gave me $100 plus. I don't even know what status I am. I think I'm a diamond, whatever the status, I'm not 100% sure. But I was like, oh my God, I needed this bag in my collection. So after applying the $100, the little money that I had in my account, and also with the discount code, guys, I got this bag for like maybe 1,000 or 1,100 max. And the crazy, because this, it was listed on Rebag for like 15 or 1,600. Okay, you guys know when you go in and try to get this bag for Valentine, I'm not even sure if it's like almost 3,000 or like the high 2,000. So I basically saved more than half of this bag when I got it. Okay, so anyway, it was between this color or the white. So they had a cream one, and I'm like, oh my God, should I get the cream? Should I get the cream? But I don't have this color in my collection when it comes to luxury bag. And I want to kind of just get out of the, neutral, because as you guys know, I love neutral bag. That's always going to be me. I really love neutral bag, but I was trying to get out of just the neutral. Like I need a pop of color. So if you guys have noticed, a lot of bags that I've been purchasing, it's more of a pop of color. And I still have some bags that are neutral, but I feel like just the pop of color, especially summertime, guys, this would be such a beautiful summertime bag, just it's like I stated. So this is the yellow color, but it looks more like a greenish, like a mint green color. And I'm not sure if you guys, there was an unboxing when I did for one of the Coach bag, and I did get the Pillow Madison 18 in kind of like the lime green color, but I end up, I think either I sold it or I returned. I'm not 100% sure. So I don't even have this color when it comes to like my contemporary bags. So just the fact that I'm able to get it for the luxury, because the luxury bag, I'm like, I have a lot of neutral, but I don't have too much color. So I'm kind of trying to not advance, but I'm trying to challenge myself. Yes, that's the word I want to use. So I'm trying to challenge myself to get more colors. And I feel like this is one of those colors. Like this is such a summer color, and this was in very good condition. As you guys can see, it barely has literally any mark on it, and the leather is very, very soft. So obviously I got to be careful, and that's why you see like even on the bottom kind of look like it's a little bit wrinkly and stuff like that. But I just think it is so beautiful. It's so classy. And let's even just taking this off my wish list. Like you guys know, I created a 2023 wish list, and I don't like calling it a wish list, but I was so happy that I was able to get this at this price, because honestly, I was not buying this bag brand new in the boutique, sorry, or Nordstrom or any of those high department store, just because of the fact is that it doesn't hold its value. So why spend more than I need to spend? So I was searching it, and when Rebag had that sale and I had some credits and I had some money, I was like, oh my God, let's get this. This is the time. And I did ask a couple of people what color I should get, because like I stated, this and the white one literally was like the same price with the discount. It was like maybe a couple of dollars more for the white one than this. But I was like, you know what though? So I sent like my trusted people, my auntie, my little brother. I sent them a thing, and I was like, hey, what color should I get? Both of them was like, I think it was like 3 or 4 people I sent. Both of them was like, yeah, all of them was like, you need to go with the green because you don't have, well, the yellow, because you don't have this color in your collection. You have more neutral, which was true. But like to me, neutral is safe. So I feel like when I have a neutral, I feel a little bit safe. But sometimes you need to push yourself out that envelope and get like a color that's just gonna stand out and just do what it needs to do. Like this is not like an everyday bag, obviously, but it's a bag where if I want to make a statement and I want to be like, you know what though, I need just that pop, just let the bag speak and let the outfit be very neutral, very muted. The bag is like the statement piece. I feel like this is what this bag is given in this color, in just even the rock stud on there. Oh my God, this bag is so stinking, 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 stinking cute, guys. It is simply, 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 honestly, simply beautiful. Like the gold, obviously, it looked more like It's like has like kind of like a little bit tarnish on it, but I think that's what makes the characteristic of this bag, guys. Like, look at this. Look, guys. Look at this. Yes. So anyway, I'm so happy and blessed that I've been able to take this out of my wish list for 2023, and the year just started. So happy I was able to cross this off my list. And anyway, guys, this is the video for today. And also, if any of you guys own this bag, please let me know how it's wear, or if this bag is one of the bags that's on your list, let me know as well. Leave it in the comment below. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.